Disassembling the hopper section. On the drive side, remove the gear end plate by pulling it straight out as shown. Remove the mag roller drive gear by sliding it off the journal. Locate and remove 2 screws from the mag roller drive gear housing support plate and remove the support plate. Note: ensure the mag roller stabilizer is still in the housing. If not, remove it from the mag roller and place it into the inner mag roller drive gear housing support plate. On the contact side, use needle nose pliers to remove the toner out sensor bar as shown. Locate and remove 1 screw from the mag roller contact support plate. Remove the contact side drive gear housing. Note: ensure the mag roller stabilizer is still in the mag roller contact support plate. If not, remove it from the mag roller and place it back into the support plate. Remove the mag roller. Remove the 2 bushings and set aside. Carefully lift the scraper tab shim to expose the screw and remove both screws as shown. Remove the mag roller scrapers and set aside. Remove the doctor blade.